this is the harvesting process of vermicomposting. As you can see, this is the compost which we have generated after 2.5 months of kitchen waste. This is now getting screened to a finer level and which can be sold commercially. This residual compost is also very rich because it has harbors n number of earthworms, bacteria, which are essential for good composting of the organic waste and which contributes to the nutrient value of the compost. This procedure, what we are doing here today, has to be done almost every 2 months once the compost is ready. This is the bin out of which this much amount of compost has been generated. This bin accommodates everyday waste, kitchen waste, segregated kitchen waste of 60 flats to the tune of 30 kgs per day. And it takes around 45 days for this bin to get completely full with the organic compostable matter. Once this is full, the second bin is put to use. The second bin, this is closed. This section, after 45 days of full box complete, you lock it and we leave it to get compost for next 1.5 months. In the next coming 1.5 months, this bin is utilized for daily kitchen waste, and every day 30 kgs of waste goes into this bin. Every day watering is done, and you can see gunny bags are covered, kept moisture, temperature, pH of the bin is maintained so that your worms are healthy. I will show you a couple of healthy worms. There you see, these are the worms which are doing all our job all throughout the day, 365 days a year, without complaining. This is the daily kitchen waste which we have putting, and this is the earthworms who are working on them. This is a second bin which is full to its capacity. This is an accumulation of almost 2 months of garden mulch with daily kitchen waste. There you can see our garden mulch. These are the dried leaves which we accumulate on daily basis from our gardens. These are the fallen dried leaves which normally would have been otherwise sent along with the Ganta Gadi out to be dumped. We are using this to make this nutrient-filled compost. If you watch, we have divided this garden mulch into 2 sections. This part is the one towards your left hand side is the shredded finer, and this is only the sorted. Few plastic bags also you can see, which we have to kind of hand pick and throw it off. We water this also every day, especially needed in summers, because the one level of decomposting can happen at that level, and once it is a little more decomposed, you can put it in the bin for the earthworms to act on and make it more finer. This is the garden mulch. It's just one pit which we have dug ankle deep, and daily we put in the dried leaves here and water it depending on the season. In monsoon you don't need to water it at all. The rest, winters also once in a day is enough, but of course summer we have to take care and we have to water it twice a day. With this compost what we have generated, like what you see, this is a total capacity of for 60 flats residential complex, and out of this compost we have developed this beautiful organic garden It's totally made of our compost. You can see the healthy plants, and we have tried to depict the reuse, reduce and recycle concept. The small kitchen garden. These are the Bisleri bottles which we had accumulated from our plastic recycling. Just kind of painted them to make it look good. Used our compost and planted variety of plants into this, basically more of medicinal and of utility. This healthy plant, if you see, is ajwain. That's the insulin. That's you. Those are the few beautiful plants here. And you see the growth of these plants is 5 times to 10 times faster and better compared to their growth in normal mud with fertilizers. See the rows? That's another bed. In fact, even in tires we have planted. These are the tires in which you can see a lot of plants which have been planted. This is the Adulsa plant with the name depicted for children of your society to have a look at these, feel them. We have planted some butterfly attracting plants as well. So in short, your garbage has been made into green gold and utilized in a very, very natural method. No chemicals, no outside things have been added for the composting, and we have created a beautiful world in itself. Thank you.